Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. And today we're going to be going over another gas card. I know you guys get sick of all these gas cards, but I'm putting out the last gas card that I know of. This is another gas card underwritten through FleetCor. So if you are located in an area that has Casey's, Casey's is not a very large gas station. They're more Midwest, East Coast locations. They're kind of like a general store and stuff. But anyways, it's underwritten through FleetCor. So if you already have like Fuelman and BP and say the Speedway Superfleet, I wouldn't suggest going after this card. But if you have Casey's near you, I would say get this card because one, you get 6 cents off per gas up gallon. And you get perks too on stuff within the store that they give you that some of the other cards don't, you know. And they, for one, are a very friendly gas station. I like Casey's. They have them all over here in Ohio. But you don't want to talk to a fleet specialist. You can just go and apply for instant decision. And it's going to go to the standard FleetCor type application where you're going to put in your business name. Like I said before, when you put in your business name, it's likely going to come up if you're already in the database with LexisNexis or Experian Business. It's going to show your business already. So you're going to click on that and it's going to show a green checkbox. And then you're going to put in your first name, your last name, email address, and mobile phone number, and how many vehicles are in your fleet. You know, they like to see obviously more than one. I'm not saying lie, but if you have 2 or 3 vehicles that you're going to be using, or even if they're part-time vehicles, then you're going to say 3 or whatever. The next page is going to say how much you're going to spend per month, okay? Don't lie on that either. Be truthful. But I will tell you, they like to see, you know, $1,000 to $3,000, you know, a month on what you're going to be spending. And they will ask you for your Social Security number. They may or may not hard pull your personal credit on Experian. So you might want to freeze or lock your Experian personal credit. But if you already have a FleetCor card such as Corpay, Fuelman, BP, MasterCard, or Speedway Superfleet, if you already have those cards, likelihood of you getting personally pulled, then chances are that's very slim to none. But anyways, you're just going to fill this out, and it's going to ask you for your business information next, and then application decision. Sometimes it's instant, sometimes it's not. It's just like the other videos that I put out about FleetCor. And then at the end, you'll put in your card setup. If they don't instantly approve you, then a rep will reach back out to you, and then they will tell you, basically just kind of verify your business information. Most of the time, they're going to approve you. Even if it's a lower limit, they're going to approve you. As long as all of your business information matches the Secretary of State and Experian, that's the main thing that they're looking for. I'll show you guys in a case study soon because I just opened up a new LLC, so I'll show you that here soon, of opening up a new company as well. But like I said, this one's very good because all FleetCor cards, they report to Experian like clockwork within the first 7 days of every month. Okay, the first 7 days of every month, they report. Even if you spend $16 or $700, whatever it may be, they are reporting like clockwork to Experian Business. And like I've said, I didn't get all these cards here. I wish I could show them all to you. This is only part of them here, but I didn't get all these for a less than a year old company. You know, most of them all know PG. I didn't, get those because I had Dun & Bradstreet. That's my weakest profile. It's Experian. Experian Business is what's used the most with financial institutions. FleetCor is who is the underwriter for Casey's, Speedway Superfleet, Corpay, BP MasterCard, Fuelman. So this is just another ARCO. Like I made a video about that one as well. So you notice I did the video about ARCO. ARCO is more West Coast. So this one's more East Coast and Midwest. So that's why I'm making this video. You guys may be getting sick of all these videos about gas cards, but I'm trying to give you guys choices for where you're located at, because some of you guys may not be located in the regions where some of these gas stations are located at. So that's one of the reasons. And it reports to the Business Credit Bureau, Experian, like clockwork within the first month of every single month. The first week of every single month. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'll have the link in the description below. With all that being said, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I got tons of more videos to come. I had planned a lot more videos releasing today and tonight, but we had technical difficulties with my video editor behind me with installing a new graphics card. But anyways, tons more coming. And I'll show you guys here without messing up here. You can see that big, huge screen there. That's my interactive whiteboard. That big, huge whiteboard that I was telling you guys about. It's really cool, and I can't wait to show it off to you guys here soon. Anyways, that's all for this video. You guys take care. Again, please, if this is your first time, hit subscribe and make sure you hit all notifications, because I got tons of new content coming out. Okay? Till next time, take care. Appreciate all your support. Bye-bye.